Zach Shore here with LCWarriors.com, joined by head coach Latoya Harris-Alexander and Kennedy Clute. Kennedy, we'll start with you. 12 kills tonight, hit 345, game-winning kill. You guys upset the number 22 team in the nation. You know, what's it mean for you as a player to get that first conference win out of the way and to beat a team like Montana Tech?
It was good. It felt good. I think we were ready to finally get into conference play, and following a good weekend in California and following a good weekend at home, I think we were ready to finally get the games that counted, and I think we were really prepared, and we showed it on the court.
And then, you know, things got a little dicey there in that third set. You guys pulled it out 25-23. How big was it for you guys to be able to get that sweep and maybe build some confidence going into that Carroll match tomorrow night?
It's always nice to sweep a team in 3, and I think it'll give us a lot of confidence going into the Carroll game. It's going to be a good game for sure, but I think if we play better than we did tonight or as good, we'll, give them a fight.
All right, and then Coach Harris-Alexander, you guys were out hit tonight, but you found a way to win. Does that just speak more to what we've talked about all year, just your guys' grit and toughness and finding a way to get these victories?
It is. I mean, offensively, we know we can do well, and sometimes there'll be moments of struggle, but we really focus on our defense and the aspect of service, those type of things, and obviously our serve. And so those things that we do have control over, we're getting a lot of reps in offensively. It just comes with the flow of how well we do on the defense end. Our blocks did pick up tremendously. We are a strong blocking team, but the third set, we did a lot better in that. But very pleased with our performance and how we came up. So.
And then just looking ahead, obviously tomorrow, huge match against number 16 Carroll, top ranked. They beat Montana Tech already as well. So, is there any extra motivation, I guess, going into that game, or do you feel this game helps you prepare a little bit for that?
I think it helps us prepare, but also one thing I'm telling our team is to not worry about who's on the other side. It's just people on the way to our goal. And so if we focus on what we need to do to get better and maybe the tendencies the opposing team has, then we can come with the game plan. So we're not worried about the ranking, things like that. We just want to come out with a W.
All right. Well, thank you, ladies, and good luck tomorrow.
Thank you.